Hey guys, welcome back to the Fidget Squad channel. Today we're gonna make at least 3 different DIY fidgets. So let's get into the first one. Okay, so what you'll need for this one is a bag. It can be a smaller bag or this kind of bag. You're gonna need, well, you can pick which food coloring you would want. And you'll need some glitter, some printed out emoji faces, scissors, and tape. Now, let's get into this fidget hack. Okay, first, we're going to cut these out. And voila, you have all of your little faces cut out. Now we're gonna put tape over them. Okay guys, we put all the tape on the front side. Now let's put it on the back side. Okay guys, we put tape on both sides. Now we're going to cut them out. Oh, this one doesn't. So yeah, let's cut them out. And voila! You have all of your little emojis cut out. Okay guys, now let's put them all in the bag. Okay guys, now let's put some glitter in. We're gonna put 2 different colors of glitter. Okay, I think that's good for that color. Now let's do white. Where's the hole? Oh gosh. Ah. Oh no. Let's just open the bag. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Okay guys, now that we have our glitter and emojis in the bag, let's put the food coloring and the water in. Okay guys, I have the water and the 2 colors. This is yellow and this is blue. I'm probably gonna go with the blue. So let's take this, open it up. Oh gosh. We're gonna put like that much. I think that's good. Let's close this up. We're gonna put the cap on the bottle and shake it up. And remember to put it on really tight because you don't want anything spilling around. Okay. Okay guys, now it's blue. And now we're gonna put it in the bag. Okay, let's just pour it in here. And don't pour it all the way, I think. Maybe. Let's see, guys, is this good? I think that's good. So let's put the top back on that. And we're gonna close this up. Let's get all the air out carefully. And then we're gonna put tape on the Ziploc part so it doesn't open up after. Okay guys, let's put it on the top. Now guys, I'm gonna put a lot because I really do not want this to open up and pop and spill everywhere. So I'm gonna put like 2 layers or something. Trust me, I do not want this to pop. Goodness. Oh no, don't fall. and spill. So we're gonna get 2 pins. 1, 2. I'm gonna put them around here. This one. Yep, just like that. And you too. There we go, we put the tape on. There you go, guys. Now you have your little fidget. Oh, why's the glitter in one spot? Goodness. There's your little fidget. You can see all the little emojis. I hope you like this one. And let's get to the next one. Okay, here's our next hack. For this one, you're gonna need a water bottle with water in it, some glitter, and these little things. So, and this and some tape. This is going to be a very easy hack, probably like 1 minute hack. So let's get into it. Okay guys, first you're going to need to open your bottle up. And we're going to put the glitter in. Okay, now let's pour the glitter in. Okay, now we have enough glitter. Now we're going to put some of these in. Okay, we have our things. Let's put it in. I don't want to put all of them in because I really love these. Oh goodness. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now let's put the top on and really put it on tight. Oh gosh. Oh no, I put it on wrong. Come on. And now we're gonna put some tape on to really seal it up so it doesn't get out. Or you could hot glue it or just glue it to the bottle. Whatever you would make. Oh no. Okay, let's put it over here. We're going to get another piece of tape and put it on the top. Okay, I think that's good. Now you have it. I don't know if you can really see the little animal, little glitters, but yeah. It's a really cool hack and you can just play with it. I'm making this one for my sister. I hope she likes it. So yeah, let's get on to the next hack. Okay guys, now we're back and we're gonna make a new craft. So what you're gonna need for this craft is 3 sets of, or however many sets of beads, and I'm using green, blue, and pink beads. And get some straw. I'm using 3 colors, pink, green, and blue. Get some string and some scissors. This one will be a very easy hack that I'm sure you can find around your house. So let's get into it. Okay, first we're gonna push those to the side. We have to cut these, so let's get in there, make it straight, and let's cut them. I would say this big. Oop, they're flying away. Oh no, they flew away. We'll get them. Okay, we got them all. Okay, so yeah, just cut the straws up into like this big. And now we have our straw cut up. Now we are going to cut our string. However long you would like, maybe not too long, but we're gonna have to tie it, so maybe about that long. Okay, cut it. You can use any type of string. Okay, so now we're gonna do this one. Hold on. Let's tie the end. So let's tie it. Okay, we tied the end. Now we're gonna put 1 bead like. Oh, let's go onto this side. Like that. And then I'm gonna put a blue one. Nope. So yeah, we're gonna put the blue one and then match the colors up. And then we're gonna put a green one. And then a green straw. And then just do that throughout the thing. Okay, so we put it all around. And if you don't use all of them, then that's perfectly okay. Just move them to the side. But we're probably gonna do something with these so we don't have to waste them. Recycling. Okay, so now you're just gonna tie this end. Oh, and guys, before you tie it, remember to put one more bead so it doesn't come out. Cause, oh no, let's do that again. Cause, if you just do the straw at the end, then the straw will go over the knot and everything will come apart. So remember to put a little bead at the end. Oh no, this fell apart while I was trying to tell you guys something. So let's put that together again. Okay, come on. Oh my goodness. Here, let's put that back together. Okay, I fixed my little mistake, and now I put the little bead at the end, so let's tie it now. Okay guys, we put that last knot, and there you go. It's very easy. This is a DIY tangle. I hope you love this craft. I love it really much. It's a great fidget toy. I would recommend making this one. So, I think this is it for the video. And I hope you liked all the fidgets we made. And comment down below which one was your favorite. Was it the emoji water one, the DIY tangle, or was it the water bottle glitter thing? Which one was your favorite DIY fidget? Comment down below. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ring that notification bell, and bye!